If you walked past this 16th floor lab at Baylor College of Medicine, the work going on here could almost go unnoticed. It screams nothing. But the results being produced here could soon echo loud and clear worldwide, allowing all of us to make life-changing choices about our future.
It took us 13 years to sequence the first human genome at great expense. It cost $3 billion. And now, in a clinical laboratory, we can do the same test for a few thousand.
Dr. Gibbs leads a team of researchers who can take a tiny blood sample and print out your genome, your body's blueprint. These computers let them read that roadmap, which allows them to see an abnormality that might cause a disease. And if they can identify it, it gives you a chance to not only treat it, but beat it.
Well, in a positive way, I see us having better medicines and better understanding of human health and better ability, frankly, to improve the quality of human life.
And some believe that information will give doctors a better chance of extending life. But while this new access to our body's inner workings holds tremendous promise, Baylor researchers also realize abuse could lead us down a perilous path.
So I think a lot of the concerns have to do not with what's actually being done from a scientific perspective, but rather how people are going to use this information and potentially misuse this information.
For instance, if your genome readout showed a possibility of a future heart attack or mental illness and your insurance company or your employer could access this information, suddenly we're raising legal concerns about privacy, confidentiality, and genetic discrimination.
They'll know more about you than you know about you. So I think it's a serious threat.
And potentially a serious dilemma for parents searching for the perfect child. Using the lab to modify a baby's eye color or hair color, even personality traits before they're born.
I think then we start to ask questions socially about should we be doing this?
With greater advances in genetic research, the Consumer Electronics Show could take on a whole different feel, as engineer and entrepreneur Richard Resnick explained to an audience in Boston.
Consumer applications for genomics, they will flourish. You want to see whether you're genetically compatible with your girlfriend? Sure. DNA sequencing on your iPhone, there's an app for that.
You laugh, but what if politicians choose to use this new research? Releasing their financial records and their genome sequencing.
Do you think that's not going to happen? Do you think it would have helped John McCain?
If you seek peace.
What if people knew Ronald Reagan had a chance of developing Alzheimer's?
Mr. Gorbachev, tear down this wall.
Could that information have changed the course of American history?